4.3.6 Absolute Value Part 2 for Leaving Cert Maths, Higher Level Only. This video was produced by the UCD Math Support Center in conjunction with the UCD Access Center. So now we want to solve problems such as this one. The absolute value of x plus 2 is greater than 3 times the absolute value of x minus 1 for x a real number. We saw last time to get rid of an absolute value in order to isolate the x, we can square both sides. So that turns into x squared plus 4x plus 4 is greater than 9 times x squared minus 2x plus 1. Let's multiply out that right hand side. I get 9x squared minus 18x plus 9. Let's subtract all the terms from the right. I get minus 8x squared plus 22x minus 5 is greater than 0. I like having a positive coefficient for the x squared term when solving a quadratic. It's just a bit easier. So I multiply across by minus 1 to get 8x squared minus 22x plus 5 is less than 0. So now we want to solve the equation 8x squared minus 22x plus 5 equals 0. I'll choose factors minus 20 and minus 2, and that factors to give me 2x minus 5 and 4x minus 1 equals 0. So then either 2x minus 5 equals 0, x is 5 over 2, that's our first root, and the second root, 4x minus 1 equals 0, so x is 1 over 4. So now we want to sketch that quadratic. So we've got our x and y axis. Our roots are at 5 over 2 and 1 over 4. We know it's a happy face because it's a positive coefficient in front of the x squared. Now we're interested in seeing where that quadratic is less than 0. And so looking at the quadratic, we can see it's less than 0 when x is between a quarter and 5 over 2. And note we draw an open circle around the roots to show that they're not included in that range. And don't forget to include x as a real number at the end. And we're done.